Okay, that fish is 120 pesos a kilo. We're up at her home, and she paid 300 pesos. As you can hear, these people drive through town with the recording going. Look at this bag. We are going to get a faucet. It drips, and it's ugly anyway. Here we are. We're gonna go down, we're gonna buy a new faucet. We bought this, upgrades. We bought all this bamboo furniture here in the dirty kitchen. Shoot, this dude's ugly too. It doesn't leak. Maybe we'll get that one next time. They call it the dirty kitchen for a reason. Quick walk around. That's her brother's bedroom. Of course, he lives in Port-au-Prince. I'm sure that's Mom's, or was Mom's. Bought a new TV. And that's her brother's. He's in Port-au-Prince. So you keep the thing in the living room. It'd probably be pretty dark here. Anyway, and these are 2 bedrooms. That's where we stay. So what we really have here: bathroom, bedroom, Dad's bedroom. It's the lowest place. We got 4 bedrooms. The police station, a little chapel, and here you get food for your pigs. I've already done all this. You get about a little bit of anything. And back here, this is where we're gonna find this. But they got everything, absolutely, completely everything. Then we come in here and we buy a new one. And fertilizers, everything. These are for sorry stores. They buy the big package. I know I've already done this. They have absolutely a little bit of everything here. And I mean carpet. Everything. You got an animal with the disease. We got your wood. We got everything. Okay, they don't be able to find this piece. Maybe we can use that. I think it's too short. I guess we can clean that up and put it back on. So this is what we're gonna buy. This is probably too short, but I'm sure it doesn't cost much. I don't know if he's got any tape, but now he will have new tape.
447.
And then this.
247.
247. That is $4.50. Buy that last piece, but this is rubber. They use it for everything. They make brooms out of it. Everything. It's really good crap. I've never seen it before. And we'll just get that one little piece. Probably cost 50 cents. And then he ties the rubber up with fishing line. You can't make this up. We got a new one. I'm going to go home, so we'll get that other piece another day. Little sorry store street food here.
Plato ni Yana, uy. Plato ba?
Okay, it looks like we got some sort of lettuce. We got a red bell pepper. We got pork. We have carrots, of course. And the good part, it's not a soy base. It's not a vinegar base. I don't know what it is, but it's very good. I get sick and tired of soy bases and vinegar bases. Look at all the fat stuff. These people in the mountains just look at this. Look at that. They love their fat. They spend more time doing this, and then they put just a little bit of rice in it, but they work so hard. And that's what they like. And we have 2 roasts and a bunch of crap for her. That's what she likes. That humongous piece of fat. As we get ready to leave, they got a really nice house back there.
Babe.
I got here this morning, got 2 kilos of roast, and then I came back. I don't know if I videoed it. Anyway, to take home, so we got 4 kilos and her stuff with all the fat, and I got a roast. And motorcycle repair right. Okay, we are getting some certificate. This ought to be the last certificate and license, and it's only taken 6 months to get all this. This is her church back here. They got this. We'll make this really quick. It is Sunday at 1 o'clock. We're in Guba, and to drink, this is all, what's that, that chicken? Okay. What I really wanted, I was hoping I could get that to drink. This food is really good. You can live up here if you want to live up here. But I wanted to show, this is to show church. I don't know if I'm supposed to do this, but we will do it real quickly. And we are in Guba. And I don't pronounce that right. G-U-B-A. And Michelle. Michelle is right there, paying 1,500 pesos for a last license. If any of you, this is a GP, Isuzu motor. Oh, that actually looks pretty big. Oh, that's diesel. They're going to outlaw these now. I'm not going to get into that. I don't understand. And believe it or not, what they want to do is get rid of all diesel and gasoline in the Philippines. You know that baby's 15 years old. So they probably put a limit on this. Now that's not the cool GP, but they did everything. But look at this. That's got a real wheels, real bolts. And they're gonna put them in these little tiny things, but they're gonna have air conditioning. And it's gonna cost probably 3 times as much. I hope the people can afford it.